Teacher's Bell. We're learning rings a bell.
Good day, everyone! Welcome to Science 3 Revised K-12 Curriculum, Quarter 2, Week 5, Day 4. Characteristics of living things. How plants get nutrients from the soil. Learning objective. By the end of the lesson, learners should be able to explain the role of each plant part in getting nutrients from the soil. Activating prior knowledge. We learned how plants get water from the soil. Which parts of the plant helps in this? Yes, it is the roots. The roots absorb water. Stem carries water. Leaves use it to make food. Do you think plants also need food or nutrients like us? Where do they get it? Yes, it is from the soil with the help of roots. Lesson language. Unlock difficulties in understanding the following terms. Our first word is nutrients. Nutrients. N-U-T-R-I-E-N-T-S. Nutrients. It is the materials in the soil that act like food to help plants grow. Next is minerals. Minerals. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S. Minerals. It is the tiny things in the soil that make plants strong and healthy. Our third word is absorb. Absorb. A-B-S-O-R-B. Absorb. It is to soak up or take in, like how roots take in water and food. Fertilizer. Fertilizer. F-E-R-T-I-L-I-Z-E-R. Fertilizer. Again, F-E-R-T-I-L-I-Z-E-R. Fertilizer. It helps make soil rich in nutrients so plants can grow healthy. Discussion. Roots, the absorbers. Roots grow into the soil and absorb both water and nutrients from the soil. What do you think would happen if the soil had no nutrients? Yes, the plant will not grow well. It may look weak and its leaves may turn yellow. Just like children, they need food to be strong. Plants need nutrients from the soil to stay healthy. Stem, the transporter. After the roots absorb nutrients, the stem carries the nutrients and water upward to the leaves and other parts of the plant. What would happen if the stem is broken? Yes, the nutrients and water cannot reach the leaves, so the plant cannot make food. The stem is like a road where food and water travel, just like roads bring food to our homes. Leaves, the food makers. The leaves use water, nutrients, air, and sunlight to make food for the plant. Why are leaves important? Yes, the food made in the leaves keeps the whole plant alive and strong. Just like our mothers or fathers who cook food in the kitchen, leaves cook food for the plant. fertilizer, extra food for plants. Sometimes, the soil does not have enough nutrients. That is why farmers and gardeners put fertilizer in the soil. Fertilizer is like vitamins or extra food for the plants. What do you think happens to plants if we add fertilizer to the soil? Yes, they grow faster, taller, and healthier. Just like children, sometimes they take vitamins when food is not enough. Plants get fertilizer to stay strong. For our activity, let's see the step-by-step process. How do plants get the nutrients from the soil? Can you name it? Okay. Yes, the roots absorb nutrients from the soil. The next is... Yes, the stem carries nutrients upward. Next is... Yes, leaves use nutrients with sunlight to make food. Next is... What will happen to the plant? Yes, the whole plant grows strong and healthy. Good job! What will happen if one part does not work, like the roots or the stem? Yes, the plant will not get enough nutrients and cannot grow well. Observation. Okay, are you ready for our observation? So this is a plant with fertilizer. What can you say about this plant? And this is a plant without fertilizer. What do you notice about the plants? Why do you think the other one is healthier? Yes, because the soil with fertilizer has more nutrients that help plants grow well. Generalization. 1. Roots absorb nutrients from the soil. 2. The stem carries nutrients to the leaves. 3. Leaves use the water, nutrients, and sunlight to make food for the plant. 4. Fertilizer gives extra nutrients to the soil to help plants grow strong and healthy. Evaluation. Fill in the blanks. Get your notebooks. Are you ready? Okay. 1. The blank use sunlight, water, and nutrients to make food for the plant. 2. The blank take in water and nutrients from the soil. 3. Extra nutrients added to the soil are called blank. 4. The blank carries water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. 5. When roots take in water and nutrients, we say they blank them. Evaluation answers. Are you ready to see the answers? Okay, 1. The leaves use sunlight, water, and nutrients to make food for the plant. 2. The roots take in water and nutrients from the soil. 3. Extra nutrients added to the soil are called fertilizer. 4. The stem carries water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. And 5. When roots take in water and nutrients, we say they absorb them. Good job, kids! Great job!
Teacher's bell. We're learning rings a bell.